right, guys, we are back. So on the last video we created the register page, and we don't have any functionality whatsoever, just basically just showing the page and the items that we're going to show in there. This video, we're going to create basically the same thing but for the login, so that when I create a login we actually have something in there. So this one is going to be possibly even shorter than the last video, because it's going to be basically a duplicate of the register page. Okay, and because we're trying to keep this modular, I'm keeping every video basically to one segment only, even if we need to add more stuff eventually and come back to it. All right, so let's go ahead and open up our custom login page in here. And now for our custom login page, we're basically just going to need a copy of everything here. So we're just gonna bring this custom login and add it in there from the register, and then we're gonna take this entire box here. Let's just bring the entire box in here, and we're gonna add it to here. All right, there you go. Good. Now we're just going to change a few stuff in there. So the name of the page is obviously not going to be called register user. What? What do you want? My cat is acting up. Come here. Come here. You want to get up here? You want to see the people? You don't want to see the people? She doesn't want to see you guys. Alright, so we're gonna go to the login, and we're gonna call it login page or login user, whatever you want to call it, just a page name. And then here everything is going to be the same, but instead of what the hell is going on? Stop it. So instead of sign up, we're gonna call it sign in. And everything else is going to be the same there, and then this error is going to also be there, and it's going to say an error, and I'll show you why later. And now for this, we can just keep that as well in there for the login, just making sure that everything is supposed to be all right. And now here, obviously this is not going to say sign up, it's going to say, this is a button that is going to say login instead. And then here we're going to say, instead of having an account, we're going to say need an account, and that's going to take you to the register page, and then it's going to say sign up. All right, so let's go ahead and save that and take a look at our page here, and perfect. So this is what I need. I need a page where I can give the user the ability to put an email, put a password, hit login. If anything goes wrong, it'll say an error in here, okay? And if he doesn't have an account, I need him to have ability to click on sign up and take me to the register user account. So I am able to go back and forth from this account. If I go to my home page, which I don't have a link for, I should probably just make that click, make sure that this clicks, goes to my, but we'll do that when we get to the header. So let's just do it manually right now. Here I should be able to go to login, and I should be able to go to register as well from there. So cool, we got that working and everything is fine. Eventually we're on the next one, on the next page, on the next video actually, we're going to actually start creating some code that is going to give you the ability to let the user make an account and log in and show the errors and all that stuff. So this is about to get really interesting, okay? But this is going to be a short one right now. We're just going to cut it right here just to keep this a little bit modular. But since this is a small video, I might as well mention this now. I want to thank you. I want to thank you for all the time that you guys have spent with me, trying to learn from me. I find it extremely humbling, because I don't think I'm the greatest. I'm still learning. I know I've been doing this for a very long time, about 15 years or so, but this industry evolves all the time. And you will find, if you guys are new to web development, you're going to realize that you are going to be in web development for 20 years, 30 years, I don't know, for as long as you want to, and you're still going to feel like a newbie. because there's still going to be something new that comes out that you're going to have to relearn, like React Routed DOM, for example. Version 6, I have to relearn it. Okay, it's now a new thing all over again because they have a new way of implementing things. So you never really stop learning. And if you don't continue studying and continue growing into it, then you're gonna be left behind. Okay, so you're gonna become outdated. Just like technology outdates, you will outdate with it. So yeah, so that's one thing you gotta keep up with. And but yeah, thank you again. And if you want to subscribe, go ahead. I'm not one to be asking for subscribers or likes or whatever, but if you want to subscribe, go ahead. If you want to like it, if you want a thumbs up, hit the bell, all that stuff that people ask you to do. If you want to do all of that stuff with my channel too, go for it. All right, if not, then well, hopefully you'll find me again. All right, so I'm gonna cut it right here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.